told me to hop on the track. Smoking on homies like yeah, I bet. Play with Lil Sus, we taking your sack. Try to play me, boy, you was a fool. I be with them boys that play with them too. Them 556 gon' live your pool. Try to make my proud when to graduate school.
Hey, this is so funny, I'm taking y'all money. How y'all so mad, I'ma keep going dummy. This rap shit made funny. Man, I'm so hungry. Make me some food while I keep making money. I'm not finna stop and I said what I said. Climbing to the top, yeah, I did what I did. Hey, it's so funny. How y'all so mad, y'all calling me daddy. I guess I'm y'all dad. This rap shit a game, y'all making me sad. This is my world now, welcome to hell. Y'all think I'm some bullies, y'all really some rookies. Just like my cat, man, y'all niggas some pussies. Talking about op this, op that. Man, sit back for your ass, get popped back. I ain't finna play. You heard what I said, yeah. Yeah, have a nice day. Yeah. Hey, so I think we shut it down.
Oh God. So